Hi everyone, and welcome to this first tutorial in English. So today I will show you something I just discovered yesterday while I was wanting to download something in torrents. And my favorite website, which is Katcr.to, is not the same anymore now. If you want to download anything, so I'll just show you music like that, and you click on the download link, you have to register, and I don't want to register that kind of website. So what I made is I just discovered something. Basically I just created a little script that will find the hash of the torrent from this page, so you don't have to register. And so if now I want to download it, I made this little script here, which I will put the link in the description. Is on Pastebin, so for life here. You just have to copy it, copy everything, then hit capital F5, and then go over here to console. Once you're in console, here you just have to paste and you hit the enter key, and here you have the hash. With this hash, if you're using a good torrent program, you can just paste it here. You can see that's the same number, and then hit the enter key on your BitTorrent client, and it will just download it will try to retrieve the magnet, and then it will download it. If it doesn't work, is that the torrent is not a real torrent, you know, because it means it's fake. Sometimes you just have to wait a bit for. Yeah, you can see here's 10 link to the lookup service. Oh yeah, here it was. You can see it's just a bit slow, so you can see all the download, and then you just have to wait for normal. But basically what we want is just to skip this annoying register thing here, and it works really well, so I don't want to download that. Then yeah, so what I advise you is then you just copy this text in a local paper, so you can reuse it for everything. We'll just show you. If yeah, let's take another one just to test. Hey, The Sims. Okay, so recopy it, go over there, repaste it, and you have another one, you know. Okay, so that's it for today. That was the little tutorial. All the links will be in the description. I will also put the link for Views. If you don't know, that's an amazing BitTorrent client. I'm not working for them, they don't give me any money for that, but I really think it's amazing because you have a lot of things. You also have directly a player if you like movie or MP3 songs, things like that. Yeah, just this console is on Firefox. I bet in Chrome it's working as well, Edge as well, but you just have to go to the console thing. You will find it. I'm sure you will find it. Okay, so if you liked that video, just smash like and hit the subscribe button, and if you didn't like, just tell me in the comments why. See you later. Was wirmzom here. Bye.